Welcome students. Let us see a very interesting question from the topic combination. Here question is how many chords and triangles can be drawn through 21 points on a circle. In any circle, 21 points are given along the circumference of the circle. Suppose 21 points are given. So first question is how many chords can be drawn. So whenever any 2 points will be joined, we will get a chord. Any 2 points can be joined, we will get a chord. So let us see the solution. First, how many chords can be drawn by using 21 points on a circle? So chord can be drawn by joining any 2 points out of 21 points, isn't it? We can join any 2 points to get a chord. So what are the different possibility, number of which? Therefore number of chords will be, total number is 21 points and we have to take any 2 points, so 21C2. And for solving 21C2, you know, we use the formula of combination. NCR is n factorial by r factorial n minus r whole factorial. Okay. So 21C2 is equal to 21 factorial by 2 factorial 21 minus 2 factorial. And this is equal to 21 factorial by 2 factorial is 2 and 21 minus 2 factorial is 19 factorial. So this 21 factorial can be written as 19 factorial into 20 into 21, and here 2 into 19 factorial. 19 factorials cancel out, and this, so this is equal to 10 into 21, 210. This is the answer. So number of chords formed with the help of 2 points out of any 2 points of given 21 points, number of chords, possible chords will be 210. Correct? And second part is how many triangles can be drawn through 21 points. So you know, for constructing a triangle, we will require 3 points, and all points are lying along a circle. So naturally these 3 points cannot be in a line, cannot be 3 points, cannot be collinear. So in that case, we can take any 3 points for forming a triangle. So now let us see second part. So number of triangles formed out of 21 points will be 21. We have to select any 3 points, so 21C3. Correct? Simple. And by solving this 21C3, we'll get the result. So by that formula, we can write it like 21 factorial by 3 factorial into 21 minus 3 factorial. And this is equal to 21 factorial by 3 factorial into 18 factorial. And this 21 factorial can be written as 18 factorial into 19 into 20 into 21. And this 3 factorial is 6, 1 into 2 into 3 is 6, and 18 factorial. So this 18 factorial will be cancelled out from numerator and denominator, and we can cancel this 6 so by 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21, and we can cancel it 10 here. Okay. So by multiplying here 19 and 10 and 7, this is equal to how much? We are getting the answer here by multiplying. (1,330) triangles can be formed. Okay. So number of triangles formed out of 21 points is equal to 1,330. Correct? Question is very interesting, very simple. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.